In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms et déterminants indéfinis. But more precisely, we will see certains and certaines. So the main question is, what are les pronoms et déterminants indéfinis? We use the indefinite pronouns and determiners when we don't want to be too precise. And this is the key thing. These déterminants, pronoms indéfinis, are used when we don't want to be too precise. And we would rather give a more general word to speak about a person, a place, or a thing. So it will be possible to use them for a person, a place, or a thing. So this lesson is about certains and certaines. And they mean some. So it is used to designate some among a certain group of things or people. It can be used as an adjective or as a pronoun. And of course, we will see all the situations. Let's start with the first one. Il y a certains invités qui ne sont pas encore arrivés. So in that situation, we're using it as an adjective, as you can see. Certain is connected to invité. Invité is masculine plural, so certains will be in the masculine plural form. Here, certains invités. Il y a certains invités qui ne sont pas encore arrivés. Certaines idées exposées dans ce documentaire étaient bonnes. Same thing here, adjective, féminin, because idée is a feminine noun, certaines idées. Certaines idées exposées dans ce documentaire étaient bonnes. So now let's have a look at certains and certaines when they are used as pronouns. Parmi tous ces gens, certains semblent très aimables. So in that case, we're using certains as a pronoun. As you can see, it's here. Certains, and it's the subject of the verb sembler. Certains semblent très aimables. Parmi tous ces gens, certains semblent très aimables. Let's see another example. Les étudiantes sont arrivées hier. Certaines ne parlent pas anglais. Pronoun here, as you can see, it's the subject, certaines. So, subject of the verb parler, ne parle pas anglais. Les étudiantes sont arrivées hier. Certaines ne parlent pas anglais. So remember that certains and certaines can be used as adjectives or as pronouns.